nuclear industry is ideally suited to answer the call to COVID retooling efforts. We are all fortunate to have continued business pipeline because of all the MCR work going on and other work at Bruce Power. There's almost a moral obligation to answer that call because we are benefiting from that fortunate pipeline of work. When the COVID situation came up, opportunities were coming up left, right, and center. We just wanted to see which ones were the right ones aligned to us and our specific competencies.
We were approached through U of T, UHN, Toronto General Hospital to take a look if we'd be able to redesign and build a prototype ventilator. They had asked if we could have something ready by Monday morning, and I think this was Friday afternoon. We collectively decided that we were going to give it our best shot.
We're very comfortable jumping into the deep end in any industry or topic. I called up a couple of individuals, Heron, Adam, Yaj, and Dave. The guys started designing all the way into the night. Saturday, making the mechanical components, working on all the electrical code, all the programming and getting the motors and the PCB together. Just a whole bunch of stuff that you don't see inside the brain of that.
Some of it is parts that we brought from home, some of it is parts that we were able to buy despite all the restrictions with COVID. And then the rest of the parts were all machine gear at Promation. We were able to assemble it, program it, test it, and deliver it early Monday morning.
Promation grew up in automotive, so we're used to a very time-critical response and so on. And then when we moved into nuclear, naturally aligned those behaviors to outage-type behaviors as well, nimble and responsive and, in the trenches.
To see this and say that we did this in like 3 days, I'm ecstatic that it was successful.
This is what we do for most of the projects, whether it's paid or offline. Our passion is to solve problems.
As much as working from home and isolated does help that overall effort as well, it was great to have something with more impact.